Yeah, lumbricals are going to be right in here. On this extension digitorum profile, this goes from here all the way down and goes into the majority of the fingers. I don't think it goes into
Got
the
it.
thumb.
Oh.
Nice.
I don't train this. This
This is
is
just
not a thing
natural
that I'm
Cori
training.
being flexible over here. Okay, resist up. Toes in. Yes. Nice. Let's go to the right side. You're gonna learn the sartorius muscle.
Yeah, now I'm never gonna forget that.
There we go. You have a lacrosse ball?
I think so.
Stop!
Do I have a cry?
You are so funny. I love this. So, lacrosse ball.
I need the
Bony
important
point
thing.
here. ASIS. You're gonna go just down from that, inferior to that. So you can bring your leg up,
Yeah.
pin that point, and then extend it. And as you extend, start to rotate internally with your leg,
Okay.
and then bring it in. Oh man, that's awful. In like that. But you would enjoy it.
Those pictures or videos are gonna be really, really nice, like shaking.
Causing some self-pain here.
I think
I
guess fasting.
Drinking my
Fasting
food. I'm
is
fasting
good for you.
anyways. Resist here.
I'm
Good.
fasted too. We're fasting together.
Yes. Resist here.
Everything's fine. Everything's great. Everything is wonderful, and I love this feeling. I love it. 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 I
How
love
much
it.
do you love it?
I love it so much. I love it so much that I don't even notice that it
You can't
feels
even feel
like
anything.
feels wonderful. It feels so good. I love it. I love it.
Almost
I love
done.
it.
Almost
I love it.
done.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
There.
I
I almost didn't want to stop. You're enjoying it too much. Right here. Push up. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Good. Toes up. Good. Bend this knee, please. Push up here. Good. Toes out. Push here. Toes in. Push here. Good. Rotate out. There. Push here. Got it. Let's go face down, please. Resist here. Good. This. Heel to the glute. Resist here. And resist here. Resist here. Good. And in. Push up and in. Down and in. Resist here. Down and out. Resist here. Up and out. Resist here. Nice. I think this is the least amount of bruises you've had on your body.
don't know. this is my. I hate this more than the knee.
What?
I hate it so much.
This is the best one.
What? You like this one?
No, I hate this one
You
too.
love-
The people who really like this one, those are the sick.
Really?
freaks.
There are people who really liked this one?
Yes. Everyone has their own group of muscles they like worked on.
Yeah, I like the hips. I feel like everybody likes the hips.
Oh no, some people hate the hips. Hate the hips but love the upper body. I enjoy hips. Upper body sucks. Knees and ankles suck too. Toes in. Where's this two? Good. Toes out. This two. Good. Drop the foot down. All the way out.
I've already done so much, but will you have time to check my spine right here?
Of course. Like I said, we're just getting started. Pass that one. Is it center or is it more left and
It's
right?
it's like the spine, like like the vertebrae itself. Feels like it's just like I don't know. They feel closer together than before. Like when I'm trying to stretch, if that makes sense. You can feel more abruptly limited.
Lift up a little higher. So there's a deep muscle called the multifidus. So it interconnects vertebra from vertebra all the way from the sacrum up to the skull. More like your atlas, your C2.
Okay. This part you're working was bothering me after lifting the other day.
Right in here.
Uh-huh.
When you're on traction, does this area bother?
No.
Another breath in. You okay?
Yeah.
Breath in. Does this cause any pain or alleviation or just it's whatever?
Combination, alleviation of the headache that I did have. I think mostly alleviation.
Okay.
Like any pain I feel is like I wanted it.
You did great.
You did great.
Teamwork, girl.